Hello, folks. This is your trusty transformation design mentor, speaker, and consultant, Cleo Henderson here from And There Was. Here's how to quickly learn the basics of popular design apps like Photoshop, Illustrator, Experience Design, Sketch, Figma, Canva, Silhouette Studio, and Cricut. Try every task in acronym T.I.P.P.S.S. Text, images, printing, pen tool, shapes, and shortcuts. The tasks for text are: create a single line text, paragraph text, resize the paragraph text that is the container, change the font family, change font size, change the color of the text, text alignment and spacing, change opacity, apply an effect like a stroke or a drop shadow, and then lastly, convert the text to a shape. For images, we have import an image, replace an image, mask an image, change opacity, lock and unlock the position, and apply an effect, stroke or drop shadow. The tasks for printing are: make sure the color mode is CMYK, the resolution is 300 dpi, and it's always best to use vector graphics. And always remember, for printing, always export as a PDF file. For the pen tool, try to make a straight line and also be able to add a point on that line. Use the Bezier handles, which comes with the pen tool, which is handy for making sure you can trace over an image that is both locked and opaque. When it comes to shapes, we could do a lot with them because 9 times out of 10, shapes are vector. So make a circle, a square, a triangle, a star, and even a pentagon. Try to resize the shape, change the color, apply a gradient, change the gradient direction. Heck, even try to type along the path of it, which is a really nice trick for pros. Apply an effect, stroke, or drop shadow. Even try to take a couple shapes. Take the star, maybe the square and a triangle, and make sure you can try to align multiple shapes. Maybe you align them vertically or align them horizontally. And then just like the image, be sure you can also lock and unlock the position of the shape. This comes in handy and is really helpful. And lastly, there's shortcuts. After you learn all the tips, circle around and learn the shortcut keys and see if there's any shortcut keys for cutting, copying, pasting, grouping, ungrouping, duplicating, saving, and exporting those files that we talked about. Because once you use those tips, you'll learn those design programs in no time. Like, follow, and share so you don't miss out on other And There Was happenings and tips for digital design students, professionals, and solopreneurs.